Hello everyone and welcome back to GemPages Tutorials. Together, today we will go through GemPages' latest feature, A/B testing. Also known as split testing. A/B testing is a popular experiment method where two or more versions of a digital asset are shown to users randomly to see which one gets higher engagement. There are many benefits to A/B testing in the e-commerce industry. First, it allows marketers to improve their content and user engagement, which eventually turns to increased conversions and sales. A/B testing also helps reduce bounce rate, cart abandonment, and risks when operating the site by making performance analysis much more simple. And as the feature is now available on GemPages, let's begin. First, we need two pages to start a campaign, an original page and a variation. It's highly recommended for you to create the original page first. Then duplicate it and change any elements that you want to put into test before publishing both pages. You should avoid changing too many elements to know exactly which one makes the difference. Any element on your page is testable, from the headline, the CTA, visual representation, to page length, copywriting, layout, and even social proof. After you are done with the page design, go to the Analytics section in the left sidebar and click on the A/B testing feature. Choose Create a Campaign and start by thinking of a name for your first campaign. Select the two pages that you have prepared, the original page and the variation. You can use the page categories or the search bar to get to them quickly. When finished, hit Create to be directed to the Campaign Settings interface. Here you can find and configure everything that belongs to your newly created campaign. For anything page-related, go to Actions to preview, edit, rename, or duplicate them. Traffic to the campaign is randomly sent to two variations with a default 50-50 shares. If you want to change this, select the pencil button next to the traffic percentage and input your desired value. Some pro tips GemPages have for you. It's best to set equal traffic with a similar and large enough sample size to get the most accurate results. For more setting options, click the Settings icon on the top right of the campaign. Here, you can set the test duration and view your Google Analytics settings. Your GemPages account must be connected to Google Analytics for us to draw page statistics. So please refer to the article in the video description for guidelines. When your Google Analytics is connected, the settings interface should look like this. And we do suggest that a campaign should last more than 7 days to get adequate traffic for analysis. Now your campaign's basic settings are completed. Hit Start Campaign to publish both pages for the test. Remember that you can pause the campaign to make modifications anytime. Let's give your campaign a test drive. On the top, you can see the campaign status changed to Running and the page URL made for copying. If you see both variations when accessing the link, it means your campaign is up and running. To analyze page performance, you can click on the Report icon when the campaign is running, or the View Report button when the campaign is complete. We provide 6 metrics, and by hovering to the title, you will find the explanation and calculation method for each. When your campaign is complete, you can easily compare these statistics to know which page is responded to better. In this example, it is obvious that with higher figures and rates, the original page of this campaign is the champion. So now you have enough data to take further actions. publish the champion, or keep testing with other elements to maximize the conversion potential. The choice is yours. Please click on Campaigns or A/B Testing to be directed to the Campaign Management dashboard. This is an exclusive feature with a limit of 2 campaigns for professional users and 20 for advanced users. The dashboard is the place for you to manage, search, and edit upcoming campaigns with ease. That will be all for GemPages A/B testing feature. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy testing!